Welcome to another super simple Photoshop tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to use the cloning tool today. So over in Chrome, I have done a search for dead patch of grass, and I've set my search settings to large. If you scroll down a ways, you're going to find this image. Let me just re-find it here. This one will do well, thelawnstarter.com. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of these dead patches of grass. This technique can be used to do quite a few things. You can use it to get rid of people in a scene or an object in a scene, or just to touch up landscape photography. So I'll click View Image, Copy, head over to Photoshop, File, New. Make sure preset is Clipboard, say OK, and Edit, Paste. Alright, we have our grass loaded in here. Now we're going to look for the clone tool, which is right here. It looks like a stamp. Here's how the clone tool works. You hold down Option, and you sample an area of good grass that you want to paint over the area of dead grass. So this is a section of good grass. I'm going to hold down Option. I'm going to click right here. Now, I'm going to move my cursor over, and you can see it's giving me a preview. If I click, I can start painting over the dead grass. Now what's really important is if you notice down where I originally sampled, there's a little crosshair that's showing you where I'm pulling image from. You have to be careful of this, because if the crosshair goes over another patch of dead grass, you're just going to start painting dead grass instead of just good grass. So you got to stop every once in a while and reset your target source by holding Option and clicking into the good grass, and then go back and start painting. So I tend to only do about one patch at a time and then resample. Now, one of the risks in this technique is if you sample the same area too many times, you'll start to get this pattern effect where you're seeing the same patch of grass everywhere, and that'll look unnatural. So try to pull your samples from different areas of the image as much as you can while doing this. But just remember, keep hitting Option to sample good grass, and then just clicking over the bad grass to paint it out. And that's the basic technique here. Now notice there's two different types of grass here even. There's this really fine grass here and this really thick grass. You could even paint out the thick grass with the fine grass if you wanted to spend the time to do that. So you notice here there's a little pattern building up. There's that dark patch and the same dark patch right there. So let's get rid of one of those just so it's not quite as obvious. Anyway, that is a super simple cloning tutorial for cleaning up dead grass. But again, remember, you can use this to remove people from a scene, remove vehicles, objects, all kinds of different things. This tool has a lot of different uses. So, good luck.